we'll guide you through how to achieve noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and head straight to the Edit page. Once you're there, go to your timeline and select the clip that needs noise reduction. Now, you want to move to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Color page, look over to the right side and you'll see the Effects library. Click on it to open the Effects panel. Scroll down until you find the Noise Reduction effect, which is located under the Open FX section. Drag and drop the noise reduction effect onto the node of your selected clip. Once you've applied the effect, you'll notice the Open FX controls appear on the left. Here you can adjust the settings to fine-tune the noise reduction. Start by increasing the luminance slider to reduce noise without affecting the color information too much. You can also adjust the chrominance slider if the color noise is more prominent. A helpful tip is to use the temporal noise reduction, which analyzes multiple frames to give a smoother result. Increase the frames option to improve the effect further, but be cautious as this can increase processing time. Play around with these settings until you achieve a balance between noise reduction and preserving detail. Then, go back to the Edit page to preview your changes. If you're satisfied with the results, make sure to save your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.